there was one person on the block that had their roof done, and we've talked with them previously. So it was this year that we decided to talk with CRC, of course, and to go ahead and have our roofing done with the asphalt. These roofs are spectacular looking. They have that look that makes you feel like that's what I want on my house. It just really makes your home stand out that much more.
We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I believe, in the neighborhood within 2 blocks that have used CRC. The service before the installation was great. Brock was a great consultant for us. He really gave me options on what to do, and he directed me in a really good way. During the event, again, we were out of town, but we know they did a great job. And after the event, I got follow-up from CRC via email, via phone call to see if there were any issues at all, and there weren't. So I was very impressed.
You're getting high quality roofing, and you're getting people that are coming in that are taking their work very seriously, very professionally. They know what they're doing, and if we did have questions specifically for any one of them, they were able to answer those for us. We were just in awe, really, at each section and how they did it. They did a nice job.
In general, our salesperson, Brock Hopna, took great care to just explain what needed to be done on the roof, what type of flashing needed to be put in, whether it was copper or whether it was another material. So we really discussed like the overall layout of the roof, and then he gave me the different options. And as far as color choices, he was really good about saying, you know, here's what your brick looks like, here's the type of color that I think would work best for your particular house. So I was really impressed by that. I'm a persnickety guy, and I like to watch how things progress. And I just had so much confidence in Brock and what he was telling me that I said, okay, just do it while we're gone. And we came back from out of town and it was done.
When they left at night every day and everything was cleaned up, there was no question that they wanted to make sure that we were going to be happy customers. They were professional throughout. We're very happy customers.
From a cleanup point of view and from a just a maintenance point of view, they were amazing. If I had to do over again, I would absolutely choose Cedar Roofing.